Hello everyone, the Code Guy here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Android Studio on Windows 10. Now, I only have a Windows 10 computer, so if you are running Windows 7 or 8, you will need to follow Google's instructions, which can be found at developer.android.com. Now, to get started, we are going to need to download Android Studio. So to do this, we're going to go to developer.android.com. Will look something like this. Then up here at the top, we're going to go to Android Studio. Then we're going to click Download Android Studio. It will usually detect your platform. As you can see here, it knows I'm using Windows. However, if the platform is wrong, go to Download Options and then select your platform. So we're going to click this. You're going to need to read and accept the terms and conditions. Click there, and then hit download. Alright, once it's installed, you're going to click on the download to open it. Give it a minute to open. And it should be opening in a minute. Alright, so it's loading. And then you need to give it a minute to load. And if it asks you to let it make changes on your computer, hit yes. And then you'll see something like this. It can vary from device to device. We're going to hit next. Then we're going to check both of these, then hit next. We recommend installing it in this folder, C/program files/Android Studio. Then hit next. And we recommend installing it under Android Studio. Hit install, and then it will start installing. Once installation has finished, you'll see something like this. So you're going to hit next, and it's finished. So you're going to make sure you want to have Start Android Studio checked. Going to hit finish. And you'll see in a launcher. Give it a minute to launch. And you see I have some things over here. That's because I have had Android Studio installed before. But for you, you will not be able to see those. So, once you have that, there's some things that need to be done to make sure it works. First, we need to install the Android SDK packages. So we're going to go on this page to Configure, then SDK Manager. Give that a minute to pop up. Now we're going to need to install the latest version of the Android SDK, which is R, and we'll want to make sure to update the one that's currently installed. So to do this, we'll need to apply, and it will tell you the following components will be installed. So hit OK. Now it is installing them, and that is all the time we have for today. I will have a part 2 coming out soon. This is the Code Guy. Thanks for watching. Bye!